Hello my dear friends. Welcome to the videos relating to Hindu rituals and the science behind them. Today, let's understand the science behind Pindadaan. Pindadaan is a traditional ritual in which people serve pind or little rice balls to commemorate and nurture their departed ancestors. From a scientific perspective, Pindadaan symbolizes the transfer of positive energy through acts of generosity and gratitude. Scientific research has demonstrated that positive emotions, including gratitude, love, and understanding, have a significant impact on an individual's psychological health. Taking part in Pindadaan enables individuals to exhibit their love, respect, and gratitude for their ancestors, fostering emotional solace and a sense of fulfillment. Let's understand the psychological advantages and connections to our ancestors through Pindadaan. Participating in the custom of Pindadaan allows individuals to honor their family's lineage and strengthen their link to their ancestral heritage. This improves their understanding of their own personal identity and connection to previous generations. Another advantage is the sustaining the continuity of giving. By engaging in the act of Pindadaan, people selflessly give, leading to benefits for both their departed ancestors and themselves, including positive psychological and emotional outcomes. The link between spirituality and the cosmic order through Pindadaan. In addition to its scientific explanations, Pindadaan carries deep spiritual meaning. The Hindu belief system highlights the interdependence of all creatures and the harmony of the universe. The act of performing Pindadaan recognizes the interconnectedness between the living and the deceased, confirming the belief that the departed souls maintain influence in the lives of their living descendants. Overall, we can say that Pindadaan helps us in the energy transfer and the purpose and the ability to heal emotionally, connecting with your ancestors and sustaining the continuity of giving and the link between spirituality and the cosmic order. Thank you all for watching the video.